What's up, friend? How you doing? So welcome back. Thank you for watching this video. So if you couldn't tell from the title below, we're gonna be talking about some SHEIN activewear clothing. Yes, I finally did it. For those who wanted to see me try on their clothes, I did it. I bought the stuff.
Okay.
So I got a couple of items and I'm gonna show y'all what I bought. I'm gonna also try it on. So if you want to see the video, stay tuned. So we're going to talk about this first item that I bought. And this is a track jacket. Let me double check. I got my phone right here to make sure I know what I'm talking about. I don't want to be giving y'all some false information. Yes, so this is called the Plus Colorblock Zip Hooded Sports Jacket. And it has that like windbreaker feeling, that track jacket feeling. And it feels good. I like how it has these neutral colors to it. It's white, tan, and black. Ignore my shorts. But yes, and it's really cute. I like the hood on it because if y'all couldn't tell from my other videos, I like hoods. Doesn't have the drawstring, but it feels good and it looks good. The only thing I can say is I wish that the sleeves came down just like right here, but on me it comes here. So I mean, it is what it is. If I plan to work out in this, then it shouldn't bother me much. But and then you see when I like stand up, it comes all the way down. So I guess when I'm like moving around, that's when it's gonna shift over. But that's what I bought. So I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. I just felt like it'll be the proper thing to do to have some SHEIN that I have on instead of wearing another name brand. So the next thing that I bought are these windbreaker pants. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to actually try these things on and I'm gonna let you guys see me model in them. So they're all black and then they have the mesh right here on one leg and then it has the white here. So I am such a fan. Well, these better fit. Anyway, I'm such a fan of like black, so you're gonna see a lot of the items that I purchased is black. But these are what these look like, and then they have the scrunchy bottom. So we're gonna see what this look like when I try them on. The next item that I bought is this hoodie, and it says queen on it, because you know we all queens and kings, and I'm a queen too, so I had to get me a queen sweatshirt, you know what I mean? So this is crown and letter graphic drawstring hoodie. So I can't wait to try this on and see how it's fit. Ooh, wait a minute here. Oh, I can see through. I like the texture and I like how it feels. I can't wait to try this one on and show y'all what it looked like. So this is called the solid hoodie and not front sweatpants. So it's a set. When I tell y'all I was looking for those sets, because to purchase separate items for $18, $20, $22, so I was looking for them sets. So this is what the set looks like. Here is the bottoms. Ooh, these are long too. And then it has the jogger bottom. It feels pretty neat. Let me see if you can see through. Oh, you can see through, boy. But this is what they look like. I like that they have a it's a whole fake drawstring out here. Oh boy. Well, I mean, they stretch pretty far, so I'm sure that they'll fit around my waist, around my hips, and all of that. So I'm gonna try these on too. And here is the top. So I'm pretty sure that the top is gonna be a little cropped on me, but this is what it looks like. And it has a hoodie, me and my hoodies, of course. And this is what the back looks. You really gonna be out of focus right now while I'm trying to record? Shameful. So this is what the back looks like, and then the hoodie. So that's the other item I purchased. It's this two-piece set. So this is what it looks like. And does it look familiar? Does it look familiar to y'all? So it has the gray and blue on the arm, and it forms over to white. And then the hoodie is navy blue, white, and gray. This is pretty cute. This is what the back looks like. It has a zipper here. Let's see if it's a real zipper. Oh yes, it's a real zipper. And then that's what that looks like. And here are the bottoms to match. So it has a scrunch bottom. I'm a fan of bottoms like this. It just feels very comfortable to me, and it stops at my ankle, so it's not that like long drag feeling, even though I like those too, but I would prefer these over the long straight leg. And these are what the bottoms look like. And is this one a fake drawstring? It's a real drawstring. Okay, all right. Yes, those are cute. These are cute. So, but the thing is, I can see through, but not really. So, oh, see, first you wanted to hide in the bag. Now you want to be difficult and not open. So I got these leggings. Look how, oh my goodness, these are so cute. My favorite color is gold, by the way. And these are called the Plus Stripe Splatter Print Sport Leggings. And oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Oh my goodness. I shall return. And I'm back. So back to the leggings. Aren't these so cute, guys? I think these are so adorable. Like, and then on the leg, why am I out of breath and I just went to the door? The leg has these stripes on them. So these are very pretty. So now it is time to go try these on for you guys and to give my official opinion on them. So let's go upstairs to my room and try these things on. Hey y'all, so just ignore my room, ignore this stuff on this side, my shampoo, my perfume, and fingernail polish. I'm in process of, you know, organizing and getting storage where they need to go and yada 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 yada. So this is the jacket, and ignore my shorts again because these are not a part of my purchase. But this is the jacket. This is what it looks like. This is the hood. You know what I mean? So this is what that looks like, and I like the way it fits. Again, I kind of wish that the arms would stay like this on my wrist instead of like when I'm moving around it moves. So anyway, it's still a nice jacket. There's no pockets on this, by the way. So this is what this looks like. So this is the queen little, it's very cropped. I didn't expect it to come like hair on me, but good thing these are some high-waisted shorts because don't nobody need to see all that tummy, all that tummy. So there's the hood on it. Here's the hood when it's down, and this is what the side looks like. Back, make sure I'm in focus. So yeah, and this is how far it comes to me, right on the waist area. If I didn't mention already, which I don't think I did, I am 5'6", even though I like to believe I'm a little taller than that, but we're not going to talk about that. So that's how, and this is where it comes on me. Okay, so these are the bottoms with that white stripe on the bottom, and I don't like the way these fit at all. It's loose down here on the bottom part, but it's very tight up top. And when I'm exercising, I don't care how cute one may want to look, I like to be comfortable. So right here is so tight. Like if I wanted to, like, see, I can't even bend down in these. So if I want to wear these for any workout, and like even in the back, like I can feel my underwear line, and I don't like that at all. Yeah, these are no. But I do like the style. It's cute. It's just not fitting how I would want them to fit for an active workout pants. I think if I was to buy these in a bigger size, then maybe, but yeah, I ain't too keen of it at all. So these leggings, they look so cute. Like, I really like them. But see how they're like high waters on me, but they're like going down on me. And I know if I was to like try to, yeah, I can't do any squats or like any type of leg workout in these, because they will definitely rise down on me. But they look very cute, and I do like them a lot. I feel like I bought a big size in these. I will tell y'all the sizes that I bought. I will leave them down below, just to give y'all a reference. But these are these leggings. See, this is so cute. I like it. But unfortunately, yeah, I don't know. Definitely not a leg day or squat proof legging, because they roll down on me. So this one is the gray one, and this is so cute. It reminds me more of like pajama wear than anything, but I mean, if they want to say it's active wear, then so be it. But this is what it looks like. Back, I hope I wasn't focused, but the side, the front, the other side, it's very warm. It's a warm piece. So this is cute. I like it. And it comes down to my ankle. If I'm ashy, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. So yeah, these are pretty cool. But it reminds me more of a pajama than active wear. So yeah. And then I'm still upset about the fake drawstring, but it is what it is. So yeah, these are pretty cute. And let me dip down for y'all so y'all can see me in the hood. What's goody? What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. Anyway, so yeah, this is what it looked like. And here is the last item. This is so cute, and these come all the way down to my ankle. I'm sorry that you can't see me in full. Again, you know, in my room doing the best that I can with what I got, and that's all that counts, right? So the sweatshirt comes all the way down to my wrist, which I love, and it's a crop, so it comes down to my waist area. The only thing is you can see all of this lubba, but that's okay. You can see what's going on underneath the clothing. And I purposely wore what I wore because not everyone has, you know, no show. So a lot of people wear the show. Ladies, y'all know what I mean. Fellas, if you have a lady, you know what I mean. Or if you're hip, you know what I mean. So yeah, I purposely wore these just to see how everything would be. And this is me with the hoodie on, and this is me without the hoodie on. So it's very cute. And then the zipper is a real zipper, so it does come down. I'm not going to pull it all the way down because no. So yeah, that's that. What was your favorite item? Let me know down in the comments below. I will also leave each and every item that I bought down in the description box below next to each size of the item. Mainly I got bigger sizes because I didn't trust the sizes and I didn't want to go with my actual size. So I will leave all of that in the description box down below, and y'all can check it out and then see what you like. So let me know what your favorite item was. I hope that this review was helpful to you guys, and I know a few people wanted to see it, so I gave it to y'all. I hope you're proud of me. I hope you're proud of me that I bought it. I bought them. So if you would like to see more of these videos, let me know, and I will provide more of these videos. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to all y'all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves. Talk to you later.